Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and here's something we hadn't done in a while. We're going to take you on a spring ride right down here at the Market Common.
We're going to see what this place looks like. Oh yeah, it's not wintertime.
It's not wintertime, so everything is blooming. And if you see yellow stuff in there, that is a cloud of pollen. That's one thing. If you're going to come down here to the south, make sure you bring Flonase. Is it Flonase?
Flonase?
Yes, because I'm going to tell you, you'll get stuffy and you feel bad. But look at those beautiful houses. It's so pretty. And I'm telling you, this weekend, there is a lot of people down here visiting Myrtle Beach. Over there, they have spring market going on at that playground. Isn't that Hannah?
Savannah.
Savannah's playground. Thank you. Get down here and show them the new shops that may be coming to open and what's available. Wow, that's a lot of people over there. And it is 78 degrees and sunny, and it's just beautiful down here. People are out, families, children, and everybody's out having a good time.
Yeah, look at the tents on that side.
I see it. And so if you're interested in staying down here at the Market Common, you might want to check their website because they do have a few rentals. Some people have Airbnbs down here that you can rent. And if you want to come down here and shop for summer clothes or just clean out your closet and do some new shopping, well, this is the place you'll want to come. I'm going to pan over here and show them what they're missing. I might want to get out and go walk at that little festival.
Okay,
That
we
looks
can do
fun.
that. Wow, it is a lot of people.
It is, isn't it? It's just nice and pretty down here.
Everybody's getting ready for the summer.
They are. And if you're looking to relocate, you might want to check into some of the nice condos down here. You can live right above this beautiful area. And wouldn't that be nice?
That would be.
Now, I was wondering, but it looks like they planted some new trees.
And what I'll do is right here, I'll take a right. We'll go toward the movie theater.
Okay. Show you what's on the back side.
And they have parking all around.
Free parking.
And it's free. Public restrooms.
So it's a little quieter around here on this road, but we're going to take you up there near Nacho Hippo and all that. So.
Okay. You want me to turn it right here?
Yes,
So
I think they did plant some new trees right here. See?
Yeah.
And so you see people are out, and I see they had those scooters here, I guess, unless is that the rental scooters? So yeah, there's just so much going on down here. And I'm down here actually looking for a little bunny drink. So if we see something.
You want to go straight, you said?
Yes, let's see what's all about those tents over there.
Okay.
Everybody's got their motorcycles out and just having a good old time. The only thing missing is y'all. Y'all need to come on down here and see us.
So what we'll do is we'll park.
Okay.
And then we'll go check out your little festival.
Okay. Well, changing plans. We couldn't find a parking spot. Imagine that with all these people down here. So we're just gonna make that a short, quick look right here at Market Common. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell notification. And you too can keep beaching. We'll see you in the next video.